In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install League of Legends game. So for this, first just Google Riot Games and they are the developers of this game. So just click on the first official link, and here in their website just scroll down to the end. We will be having games, and here we are having League of Legends. Select it and just click on play for free, and now it's asking us to create or sign in with Riot account. If you already have one, just click on sign in. If you don't have one, just click on create one. You can directly give your email or sign in with your Facebook, Gmail, Apple, Xbox or PlayStation also. Just create an account. Once you are done signing in with Riot account, we'll be having two download options. One is for Windows and another one is for Mac. Just click on download for Windows, and the installer file will be getting downloaded. It is around 72 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it, and we'll be getting this install 14 GB option. Below that we are having this advanced options. Just click here, and this is going to be the default path. Okay, if you are having very less space in your local disk C, make sure that you are changing this to some other drive. So I will just select here and change it to a new drive and create a new folder inside it. So this is my new install path, and I will just click on install. So this will take quite some time. Just be patient for a while. Once it is installed, we will be getting this Riot Games interface, and make sure that you are signing in again with your Riot account. After you sign in, we will be having the League of Legends with the install option over here. Just select it, and this is going to be the installation path. If you want to change it, you can, and this is fine desktop shortcut. If you want to change the language, you can change it over here and enable auto update. That's fine, and I don't want the shortcut for this team tactics. I'll just take it out, and yep, I'm pretty much good. Just click on install. It is around 29 GB in size. Just be patient again. Once the installation is completed, it says here your game requires a system restart to play. So let's just go and restart our system. So after restarting our system, we can just simply go and open the League of Legends from the desktop shortcut. We will be getting this welcome screen. I will just go with this League of Legends, which is the recommended one. And we'll be getting the tutorials like this, and you can just complete this and start playing. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.